Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change color of drop down arrow when mouse hover the menu name in website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in website and then on top you see menu, hover on it, then you see text hover color change, but drop down arrow color not change. So we are going to change it by using custom CSS, and you can use that custom CSS for WordPress, PHP or HTML website. Again hover on it, you see menu text change on hover, but drop down arrow not change on hover. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. So we are going to add custom CSS. Now paste, and you will find this custom CSS in video description or in comment section, and you can use this custom CSS for WordPress, PHP or HTML website. And then you see navigation ULLI colon hover A. So this is our arrow class or ID. So you can add your drop down arrow class or ID here. Now go to website, right click on it, and we are going to find out class or ID for drop down arrow. Now inspect element open, then you see this highlight icon, and then you see class dash icon hyphen arrow hyphen down, expand it. Now you see, so we are going to use this class in custom CSS. So you can add your class or ID for drop down arrow in custom CSS. Back to custom CSS, and then you see we added dash icon hyphen arrow hyphen down, and then add color. So you can add color according to requirement, and then click on publish. Now publish done. So just add class or ID for your drop down arrow here. Now go to website, first hover on it, you see menu text hover but drop down not. So we are going to refresh page. On top you see menu again, so hover on it. Now you see menu text also change hover color, and also you see drop down arrow color also change on hover. Now you see, so just add custom CSS in WordPress, PHP or HTML website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.